Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Firstly, just access Settings and tap on More Connections. Then select Printing. Tap on Default Print Service. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. And then click on the back button. Following that, select Add Service and install the best one for you. In my case, HP1. When your app is ready, tap on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!